So, hi, good evening. Today, my topic is shortlisting of institutions, permissions of superintendent or dean, or ensuring products inventory institutional supply. So, I am Anup Minch from Ranchi. Let's start with the session. So, introduction that institutions are big chunk of businesses of bulk businesses opportunity for any medical houses, not only pharma, but even with the diagnostic company and everybody. So we must list how many institutions are there in the headquarter and private hospitals, nursing homes, government hospitals, PSUs, companies, corporate hospitals, maybe SAIL, BHEL, CCL, railways. We need to select all these hospitals and whether they are potential or not. We have to just ascertain whether it is potential or not for our purpose, in fact, for our businesses. So finally, we have to come to find the key person, and we have to just find whether there is a tender or quotations annually or local purchase there, L1 purchase there. So finding the key person and coordinating with the superintendent is the main part here. And we should find out whether the molecule, generic name, prescriptions, or the brand's names are also there, or whether they just give the order usually as a brand name also. So substitutions are made or not with the molecule, what the molecule preferences are there or the brand preferences are there, whether they're checking the potential of the institutions. We need to find out all these things. The second slide I'm coming that the way the pharmacists, the IPD chemists are and the OPD pharmacists are very much useful for us. We should make relations to them and we should meet regularly with them so that they can help us in other way like coordinating and putting our inventory in the products. We should take the DL number, GST, Form 2120B. Every states have their own respective forms. We need to have those ideas. The price list, the criteria we should find out. Yeah, even those person can tell us the last year quotation or tender rate. If we get the last year tender quotation rate, it would be very helpful for us to make the prices and we can send the quotation. The payment term and conditions, whether it is 30 days or 60 days, we should know of that. Local stockists, from where they are supplying, or maybe they are having a tie-up. If local purchase, if they directly give the order to the stockist, how they are supplying, what is their payment and term and conditions. Definitely, so we should find out that other company profile, our company profile. We should talk to the superintendent, the dean, and the person also our company profile, that so we are from 1997, 21 years old company. We are already having a GMP certified manufacturing unit, and we have world class quality products. So we can talk in that way and we can impress the person. We can put our elaborate our all the things, and we can definitely ask those persons to make our products available. So we need to meet them regularly and found out his name, contact number, whether it is birthday, how many persons are there in that office. So if we can know that, we can definitely uh, have a good relation with them and start to meet regular, attract, and definitely those they can help us tell the doctor also that who are the doctors are prescribing, whether they are some PGs are there or not, some consultants are there or not, whether they can also help, whether they prescribe or not. So in that way we can get a help from those people, and we can add those PGs and those consultants to our list, and we can visit them and they can help us out in that way. So action plan is visit. The most important thing of our pharma sales is always monitor such doctors and purchase heads and medical key person for frequency of TSM also, as well as our visit is also very important. We need to do the RCPAs all the time, like whether this month which molecule has come, next month which molecule has come, which product is not available or it is going to be out of stock, so we can have an opportunity so that we can put our product in that particular area. So we need to have a competitor information also in that way, what other competitors are providing, how much bonuses, how much whether they are giving some leads or not. So we can find out those things. Now the find out the hospital, the medical potential. Now start doing all the attached doctors calls. Definitely we talked it about, and check the availability process also. Other what are the process are there to make it available. So if they have special rates or activities, or we need to, in some hospitals some key persons are very smart enough. So they will ask, no, no, you give in your price only, but do some activity for me. So we need to find out. We should be smart enough, the person or they must be smart enough to know the things, whether what he wants. So customer satisfaction is very much important. Always do the open and true communication. Then we can build the trust to our customers. In fact, if there are rate or quotations or scheme processes are there. We have to help in that ways. Always make a touch with the purchase head and key person along with the doctors. We should not go for any false commitment, sir. I will do this thing for you. Please make a. You should not. No false commitment must be there. We should only talk that what we can fulfill as per ourselves and as per the company side also. So do the activity. We can go for the activities like ICU related, pharmacist, paramedical staff training, maybe like patient awareness camp. We can go for the paramedical staff training, like maybe handling some stroke person, how to handle the stroke person, how the if some epilepsy patient come, how to handle those things. So we can choose some the doctor from that hospital only, and we can make up give a study to them, and then the doctor can take a session for those, and we can make some tea and all, some lunch snacks available to them. So it might be helpful in getting relations to that particular in those part also, to the staff also, and every staff of maybe the OT assistant also helping falana, this injection is sir writes this injection, you can talk in this injection maybe. So the OT assistants are also very useful. So we need to make all these arrangements together, and wishing him their birthday maybe if possible. So with the hospital medical anniversary for the long term for the business, now we are having the ROI commitment. This is the most important thing for the revenue of the profit of the company. In fact, if we are having 5 brands of our business over there and continuously, so we need to add some more brands like for the portfolio of our hospital medical. New brands adding always with the help achieving our target. New brands entry always help in incremental target achievement also. And the ROI commitment should be also there, that whether if we are doing some activity or maybe we are giving some lowest quote of rate, then we must have a business, how much business we are going to get. And suppose they commit that 1 lakh business is going to come from this every month. Now it should not happen that 1 month it should be 2 lakhs, 1 month it should be zero business, 1 month it should be 2.5 lakh. It should not be like that. It should be in a regular way, like 50,000, 70,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 20,000, 30,000. It should go in that way, in fact, so that the payment process and the order also be a company should have also a regular and loyal hospital group as a business also. So I think I have done with all my points. If I'm lacking with my some of my points, I'll definitely try to upgrade myself in my next video. Thank you for watching me. Thank you.